Who am I? I'm John Bissett. I've been working with Rita in the St Michael's Estate regeneration team for 20 odd years, and I'm also a member of Housing Action now. And what has been our work, our lives in many ways over many years, has been to get public housing for people who need it. Okay, so we're very much in tune with the story tonight because it's a quite simple quid pro quo that you can't raise rents if you don't deliver good public housing. It's very simple. You can't raise rents if you don't deliver good public housing. We've seen it for many years and decades that the council has taken away all of the maintenance depots all over the city. So for lots of us here who grew up in public housing, you used to get maintenance. It doesn't, it feels like, really? Did that really happen? People came out and fixed things? Yes, they did. What do I want to start with? I want to start with two success stories, right? So, and really, why am I telling you success stories? To say that we can win, right? St Michael's Estate started 6 months ago, and it's going to provide 600 new homes for 600 families within the next 2 years. Siobhan's over there looking at me, she's lived there all her life. So that's a success story. What happened? We campaigned, we won, we can win, right? So St Michael's Estate is a really important benchmark for any of the work we're going to do on the rent hikes campaign. There's another estate just up the road from St Michael's Estate in Bluebell. 400 homes, apartments will be built there also within the next few years. What does it say? We campaigned, we won. We won again. It took a little bit shorter this time, but it does show that getting together and working together works. Okay? So we can do it. It won't be won in a week, it won't be won in a month, and it's a marathon, not a sprint, right? So sometimes we might get quick wins, but they don't happen that often. So we're in for the long haul, and we want to change the philosophy, the politics, and the policies of the people in that building across there. And if we can't change the philosophy and the politics, we'll change the people. Okay? So the only way we've ever won anything is by working together, by sticking together, by being a collective, by helping each other out, by sharing what we have, and by digging in together in crisis through good times and bad. It's kind of amazing because it's from places that might seem weak and not to have a lot of resources that great things happen. Right, so those places I've talked to you about were on their knees in many ways for many years, but they managed to get together and to fight back and to get change and to get results. One of the key things that's happening in the city all the time is they're coming looking for your land. Where you live is very valuable and very rich for them, and they want it and they're coming for it, and we have to stop them. And the rent hikes are part of that process.
Yeah.
So there's been a deliberate, planned, organised and very determined campaign to get people off rich land in Dublin City. It's been going on for many years, it's been going on in many places. If you go over the river and you head up to O'Devany Gardens, I don't know what it's called now, it's one of the key sites of the struggle over that time, and it shows you what happened in the end. They got people off the land, and they got the land and they sold it, right? Very simple, right? So, what happens when you deliberately don't maintain? You deliberately don't invest and you deliberately run down. We end up with hollowed out shells of places. But it's not just accidental, it's a policy. It's a policy decision. There's a city council master plan up there and it has lots of red dots on it that we've never seen. But it tells you the history and the future of the city and what's planned for you. So, as I said, I'm going to stop now. I just want to say, keep building, keep organising, keep getting together. We can build a tenants movement and we need to build a social housing movement for all, right? So let's build that housing movement and we'll make the change. Well done to CATU, to Rita, to everyone involved for organising all of the demonstrations.